Okay, John with padprinters.com. We've installed a rotary table on this Micro 90, aligned the dial, set the height, and right now it's programmed for 12 positions, which this dial is pre-drilled for, so there's 12 pre-drilled positions with 2-pin locations. It's where we usually affix your nesting when we build these. So right now, if you have one of these in your shop and you want to change the index, here's how you go about that. So if you're in the main screen, you're in manual mode, you would go to menu. Once in menu, you would hit settings, and here you can see it's set for number of colors, 1. That's correct, we only want 1 color. So that's right. I want to get out of there and go over here to Axis Managing. And in Axis Managing, I'm going to hit Enter. Here you can see the axis type. We are TRCN. That is the rotary table. There is no second axis, so that is why this one is excluded. Oops. Put that on TRCN. That's excluded. And then down here you have LS type axis 1 and LS type axis 2. Those are the correct settings, which is for the rotary table. If these are reading something other than 1 normally closed and axis type 2, 1 normally open, or 1 NC and 1 NO, then the table may not be communicating correctly with the controller. So if you turn your table on and you go to home and it's doing something weird, then what you want to do is you want to come in here and program those two respectively, like I've shown you there. Axis, LS axis type 1 to normally closed, and LS type axis 2 to 1 normally open. Now if you toggle down further, you can see here rotations between colors is 1, a rotation between jig, excuse me, and rotation between colors. So right now it's set up, we're printing 1 color with 1 step at a time because it's rotation between jig is 1. So if we want to change it to 2, we would be going from 12 stations to 6. So I'll change this to 2 using the arrow key up, I hit enter, and now if I come back out of here, escape, and I go to single mode, now you can see it skipping 2 stations. If I put this, so if I want to change that again, come in to manual, menu, Axis Managing, enter, toggle down here to rotations between jigs, and this station can be, this table can be 2, 4, 6, or 12. So what I can do here is say instead of 2 rotations between, I can do 4, and that's going to change the dial now again to using only 3 stations. 12 divided by 4 is 3 stations. So I come back out, escape, single cycle, start, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, print, and so now we're using only 3 stations. So that's where you change the number of rotations. Menu, Axis Managing, toggle down to toggle down here to rotations between jigs. Now there's also rotations between colors, which if we're doing a 2 color right here with two cliches, which would be side by side on 4.5 inch pitch, we would have, it'd be 2 colors, rotations between jig would still be 1, and rotation between colors would be 1, unless we're doing a special thing called the half index, which I'll show you separately. It's a lot to know, but give us a call and we can walk you through it. You can reach us at 978-459-6533. Thanks.